Hi, I got gifted these vacuum storage bags from the brand, and I just wanted to show you how absolutely nice they are and just how they work. So they came with 3 different sizes. There is 24 by 16, 20 by 16, and then there's 24 by 20. So they're all fairly large, and I absolutely love that because whenever I'm storing something, I have quite a bit of it. So I love that they also have the 3 different sizes as well. I'm super excited to use these to pack up all of my son's like 0 to 3 newborn clothes, all that until 1 year, because I just have boxes of storage right now waiting for the next child to be using them. So absolutely love the thought of having everything in a much more compact bag. It also did come with these clips, so love that. And then it came with the vacuum as well. The vacuum is rechargeable, so it did come with a charging cord, came with a nice little charging or a little bag to keep it nice and safe and out of the dust. And it is super easy to use. You press the button, hold it in a little bit, turns on, press it, turns off. So super easy to use. All right, we are going to put this pillow into this bag, and then we're going to vacuum pack it just to see how nice and compact it makes the package. All right, so I'm just gonna stuff it in there. All right, so you need to seal it. All right, make sure it is all the way sealed. I'm just doing a double check there. Then make sure that this valve is open. So it does have like the directions on closing and opening. So I'm just gonna open it. Okay, it is fully open. I took off the cap, and now we will push out as much air as we can with our hands, and then we'll use the vacuum. All right, so I did quite a bit. You can kind of see it's like nice and like kind of hugging the pillow. Now we will grab the vacuum and make sure you have it pressed down nice and tight. So make sure that there's a really good seal. All right, once it looks like it has taken out all of the air, make sure you put this cap back on, close it up, and then you are ready to store it. And that like took down that pillow quite a bit, so I'm very impressed with these bags.